Hey, what's up, Cybercrave crew? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for the latest in electronics, tech reviews, and awesome setup guides. Today we're diving into one of the most requested topics, how to build a gaming setup for under $500. Yes, you heard that right. Gaming can get expensive, but I'm here to show you how to get high performance without breaking the bank. We're talking quality gaming experience with some of the best budget-friendly gear out there. Guaranteed. Whether you're starting fresh or just upgrading your current setup, stick around because we'll be covering everything from monitors and peripherals to the best budget gaming PC or console options. Let's get into it. First up, we need a good monitor. You can't have a solid gaming setup without a decent screen. For under $150, you'll want to look at 24-inch Full HD monitors with a 75 Hz refresh rate. Brands like Acer and Dell offer some great options here. With features like a 1080p resolution and a thin bezel design, you're getting great color accuracy and smooth gameplay for the price. Plus, with a 75 Hz refresh rate, you'll see a noticeable improvement in motion clarity when gaming, especially for fast-paced action titles. Pro tip, look for a monitor with an IPS panel for better color and viewing angles. Now, this is where most of your budget will go, your gaming machine. For under $350, there are two solid options. Option 1, you can go with a budget gaming PC. If you're not building from scratch, look for pre-built PCs like the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop or Dell G5. These typically come with an AMD Ryzen 3 or Intel i3 processor and a GTX 1050 graphics card, which can handle most games at medium settings. If you're more into console gaming, the Xbox Series S is the perfect alternative at around $299. It's all digital, and while it doesn't have 4K resolution, you still get incredibly smooth gameplay at 1440p, and that's perfect for your new monitor. Both options give you great performance at an affordable price. So whether you're Team PC or Team Console, we've got you covered. Let's talk peripherals. You can't game without a solid keyboard and mouse. For around $40, you can grab the Redragon K552 mechanical keyboard and the Razer DeathAdder Essential mouse. This combo is perfect for gaming without burning a hole in your wallet. The Redragon is a mechanical keyboard, which is a huge plus for a budget option. You'll get that tactile feel gamers love. As for the DeathAdder, it's a highly rated gaming mouse with excellent precision, perfect for FPS and MOBA games. Next, you'll need a gaming headset for those late-night sessions when you can't crank up the speakers. For under $30, the HyperX Cloud Stinger is a beast. It's lightweight, comfortable, and the sound quality is surprisingly good for the price. Plus, it has a built-in mic, so you're all set for in-game chat. Lastly, for a few extra bucks, you can grab some accessories like a mousepad and maybe even a budget controller. You can pick up the SteelSeries QCK mousepad for just $10 or a wired Xbox controller for under $30 if you're into PC gaming. These small accessories can make a big difference in your overall experience. And that's it. A killer gaming setup for under $500 that doesn't compromise on performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gamer, this setup will keep you competitive without breaking the bank. Now I want to hear from you. What kind of system do you prefer? Are you Team PC or Team Console? Let us know in the comments below. Your input helps us create even better content for you. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this helpful, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. We've got tons of tech tips, reviews, and more coming your way. Thanks for watching, Cybercrave crew. I'll catch you in the next one.